We got the display key right here.
Gotcha.
Walk in the car, right? Like a walk in the dog every day. You feel me? It's your car. It's the new challenge right here.
Go!
Pause before y'all watch this fire video. I just need you to subscribe, hit that subscribe button, and hit the notification bell. Click it to all. Make sure you get all notifications every time I make an upload. Some videos of some resonator deletes around here.
Gotcha. Gotcha.
Love we had, but we lost it. So much pain we feel, we don't need it. Love is what we have, pain is what we feel. Let's get together and seal the deal. Let's make amends for the children, put the war to end. Let's all be friends. Why not the answer? We kill it like a cancer. To love you must surrender, no matter your agenda. So fight to one another, let's all just live together. No matter what the weather, let's share the umbrella. If your brother falling, you should pick him up. If he need help, yes, you should lift him up. If you see my money, please don't set me up. That's so greedy ass nigga, get a quick come on. So much love we have, but we lost it. So much pain we feel, we don't need it. Love is what we have, pain is what we feel. Let's get together and seal the deal. Let's make amends for the children, put the war to end. Let's all be friends.
What? It's charged, right? I hope you charged.
We got the display key right here. Does it all for you. And I gotta make them do it on my phone. But this shit right here is clutch in the morning when I'm about to turn on the car and move it out. I think we gotta move a little. Oh no, it's good. Start it up. Whew. Showing us. I think we gotta move a little. Oh no, it's good. Whew. Showing us somebody in the V. I don't think they believe us, man. I don't think they believe niggas.
I don't know what else. Wait.
We're saying forward.
No. Oh! Ah!
I knew shit started
What? No.
zooming.
Just walk in your car.
Yeah, this shit started zooming, nigga. Walk in the car, right? Like a walk in the dog every day. You feel me? It's your car.
So
Wait. What?
walk in his car. All right, back her up.
Face! Huh? Back it up!
Backing up. Backing up. Backing up.
Back it up! Give me the wheels, Bob! Give me the wheels!
Backing up.
Stuff, man. I'm proud of you. Learn how to drive all over again.
Backing up!
Auto clean.
Call this walk in the car, man. Walk in the dog. It's the new challenge right here. Walk the car, man. You can stop playing. Big body, walking itself, man. And we moving the John with it. Who calls that, man? Stop playing with her, man. You doing big things. 20, and this shit's spinning, bro. I wanted to catch you.
It's turning.
Bro. Oh, man. You doing big things. 20, and this shit's spinning, bro. I wanted to catch you.
It's turning.
Bro.
Yo.
Come on, baby. This right here is what? All right, so the first thing you do, it was kind of hard for me to grip both the remote and the camera because you got to use two hands to do this, but you slide over to RC parking, click it. You got to be close enough to the car for it to connect. You can't be too far from the car. That's the only thing I don't really like about this. You got to be within, I think, like 2 to 5 feet of the car. This didn't work right here because I was a little too, like, out of range of the car, that the car has to sense you. So I started over, hit the RC, wait for it to connect. It's pretty cool. You hold that park button on the side. Once you hold that, you click engine start. That's the park button right there. I know it's kind of dark. I just wanted to show you guys it in the dark too, as well as in the light. Press engine start. You hear it start up. Love it. Then it takes a little while to activate the remote control parking. Once it gets activated, then you'll see the car pop up. Then you slide to the front. If you want to move it, it comes off of the parking brake. Boom, slowly. Technology is crazy, bro. This is wild. Like,
I swear I didn't even see nobody was right.
Nobody's in the car right now. Alright, so now we can do, now let's go from the back now. What I did learn now that you don't have to actually slide the car. You can slide the car or you can click the arrows. That I didn't know. When you let go of that button, it's gonna say engine stop. Like, you can't do it unless you're holding the button. That's the only crazy part about it. So now let's go reverse.
back, shorty.
I didn't really trust it because I couldn't see back there, so I stopped and said, you know what, let me walk back there. Because this right here is dangerous.
Go back in the
Look at that.
driveway.
The car is really pulling itself in the driveway. This is mad convenient right now. I don't have to get in. I don't have to start it up. I don't have to do anything. Like, this is really technology at its finest. Tell me that I ain't do a good job with this car. You tell me. Come on now. Let's talk facts. I let go of the button. Now let me go to the back so I can see exactly what I'm doing. If you get too close to something, it'll come up like a little red wall and won't allow you to slide the car back. This is where I figured out that I could just press the arrow and it'll move the car for me.
Okay, much better. I thought you had to drag the car. I told myself something new just now.
But yeah, once you get too close to stuff,
That's good.
3 red walls will come up and it'll
Then you
stop.
wanna
it from
stop.
doing everything. Once you're done, click engine
It's
start.
on as if somebody's in
It's
there.
like nothing happened.
If you see, it's in reverse. You can see right there. The whole car is on. Nobody's in there. Nobody's in there. Not a damn person. Stop it.
More trap than said fi kill I. Jaja watch over us. Every day they come around and tell be a lie. Them evil, can't even look in at me eye. Them try to stop me in everything me try. Gotta watch over I. I needed help, them no give me no blind. Gotta watch over I have to laugh so I don't cry. I don't do sad song, come on money long. But we need love, yeah, just to get along. Skidder than man, you know him have a million. So much love we have, but we lost it. So much pain we feel, we don't need it. Love is what we have, pain is what we feel. Let's get together and seal the deal. Let's make amends for the children, put the war to end. Let's all